Good morning everyone. I am Rashmeet Kaur Vadva, English faculty at Mkjc-Smart. Here, while teaching English, the multiple methods of teaching are adopted. The most unique and important method is the playway method of teaching, which includes the storytelling method, which keeps the students concentrated as well as engaged. Here, workshops are conducted from time to time in which we enhance the personality of the students. They are taught how to introduce themselves, how to interact, etc., which boost in the confidence of the students. Daily practice papers and test series are given from time to time. Also, regular practice of the unseen passage of English is also done to enhance the confidence and improve the performance level of the students. The grammar is taught with specific attention with the help of examples and discussions to ensure complete clarity to the students. Tenses, models, subject-verb agreement, and reported speech is also taught with specific attention. Same-day practice of the questions of the chapter taught is also done and solved in the class itself. The most unique feature of Mkjc-Smart is the day boarding facility, where the student is given the facility of school as well as coaching. The timing of the day boarding facility is from 8 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. So the student carries no burden of studies at home and gets a chance to enjoy the social life as well. Here we have various cultural activities such as dance, sports, drama to keep the students engaged and happy. Proper balance of study and cultural activities lead to holistic development of the students. So I, Rashmeet Kaur Vadva, English faculty, invite you all to please come and pay a visit to Mkjc-Smart. Thank you.